Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hawass said evidence from the site indicates that the approximately 10,000 laborers working on the pyramids ate 21 cattle and 23 sheep sent to them daily from farms. Though they were not slaves, the pyramid builders led a life of hard labor, said Adil Okasha, supervisor of the excavation. 11 January 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Slaves on small farms often slept in the kitchen or an outbuilding, and sometimes in small cabins near the farmer's house. On larger plantations where there were many slaves, they usually lived in small cabins in a slave quarter, far from the master's house but under the watchful eye of an overseer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The temporary workers. The many thousands of manual laborers were housed in a temporary camp beside the pyramid town. Here they received a subsistence wage in the form of rations. The standard Old Kingdom 2686-2181 BC ration for a laborer was 10 loaves and a measure of beer. 17 February 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bonded laborers. Ancient Egyptians were able to sell themselves and children into slavery in a form of bonded labor. Self-sale into servitude was not always a choice made by the individual's free will, but rather a result of individuals who were unable to pay off their debts.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What's inside the pyramids? Deep inside the pyramids lays the pharaoh's burial chamber, which would be filled with treasure and items for the pharaoh to use in the afterlife. The walls were often covered with carvings and paintings. Sometimes fake burial chambers or passages would be used to try and trick grave robbers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cairo, Reuters. New tombs found in Giza support the view that the Great Pyramids were built by free workers and not slaves, as widely believed, Egypt's chief archaeologist said on Sunday. 10 January 2010.
Take our lead.
Egyptian slaves, specifically during the New Kingdom era, originated from foreign lands. The slaves themselves were seen as an accomplishment to Egyptian king's reign, and a sign of power. Slaves or back were seen as property or a commodity to be bought and sold.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They had dined on artichoke, hazelnuts, walnuts, pine nuts, pomegranate, almonds, figs, and pepper imported from India. They also ate lentils, dates, onions, garlic, olives, donkey meat, fish from the Red Sea, and Nile Valley wine. Smith 2002.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.